This is just a quick demonstration of the Caldwell speed loader for the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. Always a good idea to have one of these around the place. Basically you can release the holder here, slot your magazine in like that. Basically then all you do is get your ammunition, drop it in. See, it just slots into one of these Z slots like that. So when you shake it, fasten the top down nice and neat. Basically you shake it up, shake your loader, pull that down there. It will load 10 magazine and 25 as well. So that's it. Press the button, magazine loaded. Go straight into here.